Hi, my name is Alexander. Welcome to another video where I'm going to talk about registers on accordion. I will use my accordion as an example. Registers are mechanisms that are changing the color and the height in a certain way of keys. Depending on the size and model of accordion, you can have more or less registers. One information before we start. I won't use names for the registers because they vary from east to the west, so I don't want to confuse you. Let's start. For easier understanding, I will use these dots on these pictures and try to explain with the help of them. First register where we start is the standard one with one dot in the middle. It's only one voice and it represents the true sound of the keyboard. If you want to play middle C, it's here, and it sounds like a middle C. But if you click on this one, with the one dot in the lowest field in the circle, it will bring the sound one octave lower. So if you want to play middle C, you will have to do it here. Next register is the one that brings the sound one octave higher. It has one dot in the upper field of the circle. Next is the one with one dot in the middle but on the side. It is a regular octave, but it has a different sound than the basic one. Now, when we know these four different registers, the rest of them are just a combination of these four. For example, we have a combination of two voices that are in the middle of the circle, and together they give this sound. If you combine middle and lower octave, you get this. If you combine middle and higher octave, you get this. Because of the acoustic of the sound, it doesn't matter which combination you choose. Lower octave is the dominant one. But if you play a certain part on this register, and then switch on this one, adding a higher octave, you can get the impression that the sound is now higher than before. Registers can be placed here as well, and it is the most common thing on professional accordions. These registers are copies of the ones next to the keyboard. My accordion has only 3, but better models can have up to 8. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share this video. See you next time.